Friends, let's be honest. The financial system is rigged. It's a complex web of rules and regulations that seem to benefit only a select few. The rest of us? We're left to navigate a maze that feels impossible to understand, let alone master. It's a giant, complicated machine designed to benefit the few at the expense of the many. The stock market, the banking system, the entire financial industry is set up in a way that makes it incredibly difficult for the average person to get ahead. You work hard, you save money, and yet the system is silently stealing from you every single day. You might think you're doing everything right, paying off debt, putting money into savings, investing in your future. But the truth is, the deck is stacked against you. How? Through a clever little trick called inflation. Inflation is like a hidden tax that eats away at your purchasing power. It's subtle, it's insidious, and it's happening right under your nose. Remember when a candy bar cost a nickel? Now it's $2. This isn't just nostalgia talking, it's a real measurable phenomenon. Prices go up, but your wages don't keep pace. Over time, your money buys less and less. That's inflation, folks, and it's a direct result of a financial system built on lies. Enter fractional reserve banking, a system so convoluted it would make a Wall Street executive blush. Here's the gist. Banks are allowed to lend out more money than they actually have in reserves. Think about that for a second. It's like a bakery selling 10 cakes when they only have 5 in the oven. This magical money creation allows banks to earn interest on money that doesn't even exist, while simultaneously increasing the money supply and, you guessed it, fueling inflation. Exploited by a system that prioritizes the interests of the few over the needs of the many. It's time to take back control, folks. The power to shape our financial destiny is in our hands. By embracing Bitcoin, we are rejecting the status quo and demanding a better future. We are standing up for our rights and asserting our independence from a system that has long taken advantage of us. Time to opt out of the rigged game. The traditional financial system is designed to benefit those at the top, while the rest of us are left to struggle. Bitcoin offers a way out, a chance to participate in a fair and transparent financial ecosystem. By choosing Bitcoin, we are opting out of a rigged game and taking a stand for financial freedom. Time to join the Bitcoin revolution. This is more than just an investment, it is a movement towards a more equitable and just financial system. Together we can build a future where everyone has the opportunity to thrive. So let's embrace this new era with open arms and be a part of the change we wish to see in the world. The Bitcoin revolution is here and it's time to be a part of it.